and welcome to Group 41's submission of our Sudoku final project. So, as you can see, we decided to implement about 4 different files to create the project. Our main one is Sudoku, and then to generate the actual Sudoku with like on the grid, we use Sudoku generator. And then to create the board and to also implement when a user inputs a value into the board, we use board, and board also implemented a cell class. So yes, board is a class, cell is a class, and Sudoku generator is also a class. But under our main file, what happens when you run the game is first you are greeted by our welcome page, which was done with the function game start screen. And that just created the text seen here and also these 3 buttons. And depending on which button you choose, you are brought to your respective Sudoku grid. So this grid shows a certain amount of removed cells, which we used by calling upon the Sudoku_generator class. So for instance, if I press this restart button, medium will give us instead 40 removed cells and hard will give us instead 50 removed cells. And under the main function, we also created these 3 separate buttons, which restart, as you can see, brings us back to the front page, and exit just exits the code overall. So our board class implemented first creating the grids seen, first implemented creating the grids seen in the board, and also would theoretically, our group reached the maximum of our project by just being able to select this and not being able to still implement a value. But board would theoretically be able to implement a value into every respective cell with the one that you have selected with the red covering on it. And cell was actually to represent every single cell in the Sudoku board. So as you can see, there are 81 cells here that we would have been able to implement each individual number into. And although our game over and game 1 screen was not displayed in our final game because we were not able to create the entire implementation, each screen does work individually, as shown here, for example. Game over. So that is just an example of the things that we were trying to debug and that we were trying to troubleshoot within our project. But so for now, at least we can for sure have our game start and our Sudoku board always randomly generated using Sudoku generator. And if we exit, we are exited by the game. And that is our project for now. Thank you.